Today's something completely different. I'm here in Haifa, Israel, and I'm at a friend's shop, car shop. He does a lot of restorations, brings in cars from the States, all kinds of conditions, different conditions, and literally takes them apart and does a full restoration. Amazing, amazing outcome. You got to see this. It's a Checkpoint, that's the name of the place. Chevy 3100. It's 1955. He just brought it in from the States, and he's just starting the restoration. '55 V8. First year they actually put a V8 in this truck. Let's fire it up. Listen to that rumble. As you can see, it's still untouched. It's before its restoration. Carburetor still needs some work on it. Sounds nice. Sounds nasty. This is the original C1 engine, Corvette engine, first model. Okay, we're gonna see now the 1951 Ford F1, completely restored, showroom condition. Look how he keeps it enclosed. This is Guy, the mastermind behind this truck. Oh my God, Ford. Look at the detailing behind this restoration. Look at this. Upholstery, everything is new, completely redone. Oh my God, look at the Dreamliner. Okay. Now I can understand why it's in a bubble. Wow, look at this. 57,000 original miles, right? It's showing 57,000 miles. It's either that or 157,000 miles or 257,000 miles. Look at this. All original. Beautifully redone. Wow. Wonder if there's FM stereo over here. Amazing. Beautifully done, really. This handbrake. Look at this clutch pedal, this round clutch pedal. You see, not completely done yet. That's really cool. This is really nice. There's not a bolt. There's not a bolt over here that wasn't replaced or restored. Everything is original parts. Look at this. Look at each and every one of the bolts is brand new or restored. Original specs.
Original heater.
Is that a heater?
Uh-huh.
Look at the heating. That's how you kept warm. I like this. Even original radio. This is Guy Amrani, the mastermind behind it. 239 cubic inches. About 300 horsepower?
No.
I'm not sure.
No.
Not sure.
90
horsepower. Oh my God, 1951, 90 horsepower. What is that? That's the, what is that? Fuel? What is that?
This one?
No, this
is the oil filter.
oil filter. Look at that. Imagine replacing that.
This one is the regulator for the charging the battery. I don't know what to call it, but it's not
an alternator?
No. It's generator, I think, something like that.
Generator or something. Look at the steering rod. Everything is original. New old stock or restored or custom built. How many years did it take you to do this? 3 years up till now, and not completely done. The bonsai guy over here is one of his hobbies is bonsai trees. He has an amazing bonsai garden. And here are some more things in the works. This is a Lincoln Continental. What year, Guy? What year is it?
73.
73 still needs to be redone. And there's another Cadillac over there that needs a lot of work on. Work in progress as well. 1976 C3 Chevy Corvette. Look at this, custom painted, the air filter. Upholstery completely is the dashboard, everything is new. There's not a bolt over here that wasn't touched, opened, and restored or replaced with a new old 1976. Look at this beauty. Original wheels, original tires already even. With So that's it for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead, give it a share, a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. Until the next time, I'm Sandy.